Welcome to project number 6. This is the jQuery mobile site. jQuery is really very interesting. And one thing you're going to learn is JavaScript offers a number of advantages to web developers, and that's explained on page 278. But JavaScript is not as confusing to learn. However, it's still a programming language that has its own syntax, vocabulary, logic, and rules. So fortunately, Dreamweaver is going to include several tools for adding JavaScript right into your HTML page when you don't even have to write a single line of code. So here we have the different objects over here. You can see accordion, tabs, and date picker, progress bar, and you'll learn about many of them inside the book. So we have dependent files over here. So it's built around the JavaScript and formatted using CSS selectors. So the dependent files are created for you automatically. Here we have a jQuery tabs object over here. So you can use present multiple categories of information, limited space, just by having tabs that you're going to click up top over here, similar to a menu selection, but it actually is a separate part of the page. Here we have the code navigator, and that's going to list all of the pieces of code that are related to the selected item, because the selected names that are defined in the predefined CSS files for jQuery objects are confusing. So it's really best to use the code navigator to find the property that you want to modify. Here we have inspect mode. So that's in addition to the code navigator. The inspect mode is going to allow you that you can toggle on by choosing view inspect, and it makes it easy to find page code and CSS styles that are associated with specific objects on a page. Here we have Lightbox in here. So rather than, again, reinventing the wheel, programming classes, I tell people if you have something out there that's working, why rewrite it? So basically you can have your JavaScript libraries for common tasks that have already been created for you and that they are available. Most of them are no cost at all. Here we have a script tag that allows you to directly link JavaScript into your code. And here's how it's done. Here we have Lightbox coding in here that requires an image element that will act as a link to open up a window that displays a full-size image. That's done for you automatically. So that's it on this tutorial. As I said in the other PowerPoints, these are just a sample of what you're going to learn in the chapter and not actual tutorials themselves. So hope you have a wonderful day.